These are directions on how to do the density of water and density of mineral oil lab. Let's get this done. This will be kind of fun. I think interesting. I need you to pick up 2 sheets of graph paper. One of them you will title density of water, and then the other one will be density of mineral oil. And so what you will do is you will need a graduated cylinder for each experiment. Let's talk about the water density one first. Take the graduated cylinder and place it on the top loader scale after you've already turned it on and you've tared it out to make sure it's zeroed out. Weigh it and then record that over here. And then what's going to happen is you're going to place 2, 4, 6, 8, sequentially 10 milliliters of water, just adding on top of what you already have once you begin doing this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will be your X values in your data table. Now, the way that you calculate your Y values will be that you will take the weight of the cylinder with water and subtract the cylinder mass to get the Y value for each one of these. So what you will in effect do is you will place 2 milliliters in the graduated cylinder and weigh it again. You will subtract the mass of the cylinder to get the Y value. Then you'll place 2 more milliliters to bring it up to 4. Remember to note the location of the meniscus so that you can measure correctly. Use a pipette while doing this so that you can make it pretty exact. Then you'll add it and then you'll weigh it, subtract the mass of the cylinder. That will give you your Y value for the X is equal to 4, and then continue with 6, 8, and 10. And then on the mineral oil, you're going to do the very same thing. You're going to start out, you're going to weigh the other cylinder, you're going to record that on your other sheet of paper. You're going to have to write all of this information in, by the way. Take a few minutes and do that. This is going to be taped into your lab manual, into the appropriate chapter. I believe this is lab number 1. With the mineral oil, you will do the exact same thing. You're going to, as far as the volumes go, you're going to put 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 milliliters into the same graduated cylinder. You'll start out, weigh the graduated cylinder, record that on your paper, and then put 2 milliliters with your pipette into the graduated cylinder, weigh it again, subtract the mass of the cylinder away, and that will give you your Y value. And then you're going to add 2 more milliliters and weigh, wash, rinse, repeat. Not really wash, rinse, repeat, but the same directions apply. And then you'll bring it up to 6, and then to 8, and then to 10. And then what will be kind of cool is you'll be able to plot the X and Y values onto this chart. You'll have 5 data points, and then you can kind of draw a best fit line, a straight line from the origin through these dots. And there's another video that I have already made to show you how to calculate the slope, which conveniently is the density. Grams per milliliter is density. So this is kind of a cool experiment. It integrates a lot of skill and a lot of your beginning knowledge in chemistry. Keep going. Keep up the good work.